Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a luxury designer bag unboxing. This bag is very different from what I usually wear, but it's so cute. I'm going to be unboxing this Gucci bag, and its bag shall come, and if you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys go check out my luxury playlist. But yeah, I'm so excited to unbox this bag in front of you guys, and I'm so glad Gucci changed their packaging, but I believe they still have products that still come with the black and white packaging. But yeah, let's get started with opening this. And once you open it, everything will look nicely packaged. I do get this Gucci card just for more information about the bag, and this just in case if you want to give this as a gift or anything like that. I love this box. I'm gonna just leave it right here just for the sake of this video, like right here. Or is that too much? Because I don't want to whatever. And this is what the little satin bag looks like, and y'all, this is definitely out of my comfort zone. I don't really usually choose bags like this, especially with like how the handles are. And this is the bag. She is so cute. Like, look at her. Like, oh my gosh, I should have moved these to the side. I shouldn't do that. I'm gonna move that to the side, but look at her. And I'm gonna just take this plastic off. Ooh, this is so cute. And she looks like this from the back, same print, but it doesn't have the 𝐔𝐿 in the back right here, but that's fine. And the sides of it, like, ooh, I love this color brown. This is why I said this is not the type of bag that I usually go for, just because of how the handles are. Usually I'll go with more, I don't know, more type of a metal or a handle that has metal on it. Nothing with this, but I honestly do not regret it because this can also sit up, and you can also put straps on the side. And of course it came with the straps, which I'm gonna show you guys in a sec. But yeah, you put the straps right here. I can definitely see myself wearing this during the springtime because it has that green, and you guys may know that green is really gonna be in style this spring. Well, it's perfect for all year, but you guys know what I mean. There's no feet at the bottom, unfortunately, which that's fine. I don't really care about that because I usually take care of my stuff anyway. And there's plastic on the side of this that needs to come off. I just now realized that. Let me take these off real quick. If you guys want more information about this bag, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and DM me. And I am going to be showing you guys me modeling the bag and what can fit inside, just to give you guys some reference. But yeah, I love this color. It's like a nudie, pale nudie color with a hint of pink in it, a very light pink. This material is so soft inside, so you do have to be careful not to stain it. So yeah, when you wear this bag, make sure you have like pouches inside so you don't just throw anything in there, because that can cause staining in the future, especially with makeup or lipsticks. Oh my gosh. And this is what the other side looks like when it's unzipped, and the zipper is very easy to zip and unzip. Also has the Gucci logo right here. Gucci, made in Italy. I know I'm showing you guys every little detail, but I have to, because I know when I look at review bags, I want to know every little thing about it, like what's up with it, how's the stitching, how's this, how's that, because wasting money is like one of the worst things ever. But yeah, this is the material, leather like, and this type of material right here, and this is really soft, and this is like really soft on the inside. And this is how wide it opens as well, this wide. This is what the strap looks like, and it's pretty long actually. So when you put the bag on you, and if you're short, it's gonna be really long. And if you're tall, this will be perfect for you because it's like the perfect size for like a tall person. But for my little short self, I don't think it's gonna work out for me, unfortunately. So I had to get another strap, which I'll show you guys in a minute, because I do not regret getting this strap at all. Like, it's perfect, and you guys will see in a minute. This is what the hardware part looks like. It literally says Gucci on it on both of them, and I love this little part right here too. I love the design of it, and yeah, this is how it looks. And I believe this is the same material as this middle, so that's really good. It's not like two different materials. And this is what the bag looks like when you have the straps on it, and I am going to be modeling it for you guys of like how the strap looks, but I want to show you guys the strap that I had got to replace that strap, just because like I said, I'm too short. I'm literally 5 feet. With wearing that strap, it makes the bag go like halfway to my leg, and it makes me look even shorter, and it doesn't look right. So I did go on Amazon, did a little type research, and I found this strap that is literally perfect. It's a tad bit off, and I mean like a tad, like literally just a tad bit off, but it matches the bag so perfectly. And it may be a little bit better. It depends on like how your style is. And this is the strap, and the best part about it is that it's adjustable. So if you're short like me, you will love this strap. It's so affordable too. This was like only $13. I thought it was gonna be like 30 or whatever, but no, this was like $13, 16, 13, something really affordable. But one thing I can say is that of course this is gonna be different right here, and the color is gonna be a little bit off, but it looks, not gonna lie, it kind of looks way better than the original strap. Like, do you guys see how this one's like kind of dull and this one's like more shiny? Yeah, I like this one way better. If you guys want to get this strap, I'll leave it in the description box down below for you guys, and I'll also leave my Amazon storefront in the description box because I shop on Amazon all the time, and this is like probably one of my best finds. You don't even have to use it just for a bag. So I'm gonna show you guys how the regular normal strap looks on me, then I'm gonna try on the new strap. This is how long it is, and when I put it on, it goes halfway to my leg. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I do not like it personally. For me, I'm really short, so yeah. But this bag though, like the bag itself is gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh, it literally matches this outfit too. Oh, I like it. Oh, it's so cute. And this is what the bag looks like with the Amazon strap. It's a tad bit brighter and the hardware is different, but it's adjustable and it's perfect for us short people. See how it looks on me now? I feel like it matches me way better. But really quick, I want to show you guys how this bag looks on me when I wear it as a crossbody with the regular strap that it came with. Now I'm going to show you guys what you can fit inside of here, and you could fit Louis Vuitton mini pochette in here, and you could fit your phone in here, and I have the iPhone 11, antibacterial wipes, sunglasses, a card holder, your keys in a little pouch, a charger, hand lotion. And this is what I have in here so far. You can definitely fit more items in here if you want to, but I just pretty much put the basic necessities that you guys probably may need. And there's so much space that's in it still. It's not even that heavy. It's like a little bit heavy, but I'm just glad I'm able to fit a lot of stuff in here. That is all for this Gucci top handle shoulder bag unboxing video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and DM me to know more information about this bag and all of that good stuff. And make sure you guys like this video. Comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me, any luxury, beauty, fashion, hair. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I'm almost at 25,000 subscribers, and it'll mean so much to me, literally, if you guys will join the familia, join the harmony. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.